Hey everyone, welcome back. With Affinity, we can create various styles of ribbons that we can use in our designs. These are great for marketing and promotional materials. It's not complicated at all and super quick to make. So let's jump right into the tutorial. To start, I'm going to grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the canvas. Let me change the color. You can use a gradient if you like, but I'll just go with a solid red. Next, I'll select the Move tool, then hold down Alt and drag the rectangle to duplicate it. I'll make this duplicate a bit shorter horizontally. Now let me grab the rectangle tool again and draw a square right here. I rotate it 45 degrees, then switch to the Move tool and reposition it to the left edge of the shorter rectangle. I'll select both shapes and align them vertically. With both shapes still selected, I'll go to Boolean Operations and click Subtract. I'll change the color to a slightly darker red, then move it to the left side of the first rectangle, like this. Next, I'll switch to the Rectangle tool again and draw a rectangle right here. Make sure the position and dimensions are properly aligned. Then I'll right-click on it and select Convert to Curves. With the Node tool active, I'll click this node and press Delete. Then I'll change the color to a darker red. Now I'll grab the Move tool, select both of these shapes, right-click, then select Arrange and click to back to set them to back. I'll hold down Alt and drag them to duplicate. Then I'll go to the Context toolbar and click here to flip them horizontally. I reposition them on the right side of the first rectangle, like so. Next, let me select all of them, group them, and move the group to the center. And there we go, our first ribbon. Now I can create another style by skewing it. I'll move the cursor just outside the middle right handle until I get the double arrow icon. Then drag it upward. Or I can go to the transform panel and set the S or shear and R or rotate values however I like. And that gives us a skewed ribbon style. Let's move on to the next style. I'll undo that first. Now with the ribbon selected, I'll go to Vector in the top menu, select New Workgroup, and click Arc Horizontal. Now you can see the ribbon is curved. In the Context toolbar, I can adjust the value slider to change the amount of curve. Slide right to curve it upward, slide left to curve it downward. I can also go to Warp and click to change the style. Let's try Bend Horizontal this time. I'll adjust the value and we can give it a nice perspective look. Let me go back to Arc Horizontal and slide the value to curve it like this. Now I want to add some text onto the ribbon. I'll grab the pen tool. Let me zoom in so we can see better. Then I'll click here to add a note, hold Shift to get a straight line, and click here. Then I'll press Escape. Next, I'll select the Node tool, position the cursor at the center of the line, and drag it upward to create a curve. Then I'll select the Artistic Text tool and place the cursor over the line until I see the T with a curved line icon. I'll click and start typing. Let's go with Grand Opening. I'll change the font, adjust the size, align the text to center, and change the color to white. If the text isn't quite in the right position, I can grab the Move tool and reposition it from there. Alright, that's everything on creating ribbons in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a try. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions. If you found this helpful, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Don't forget to share and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Take care and bye.